Hey everybody, Corey with Scale Model Inc. here. Today I wanted to give you a quick look at the new project I'm working on. Unfortunately, I forgot to do the intro video before I started painting on it. Already started painting on it, as you can see. This is a 3D print at approximately 54 millimeter, maybe a little bit bigger than that. Um, it Yeah, it's somewhere around there, 54 to 50 millimeter. Um, but it's a nice little print. Um, it's from The Printing Goes Ever On is the line of the sculptor on this, and it's sold as a Rohan, Lord of the Rings Rohan infantry dude, but I'm just painting him up as a, whatever. So, yeah, so I've already started, as you can see, and I've done the first round of base coats or shade coat. Use on the helmet. I've used Van Dyke Brown and Asphalt them. Wanted a dark color there because we're going to be doing true metallic oils on this, and you do need some dark colors to go along with that as your base. Same thing for the fur cloak that he's wearing. I actually use that as a base on a lot of this. Use some brown matter on the quilted armor there. Alizarin crimson with some cadmium red for the uh, jacket thing that he's wearing. And base is indigo and Van Dyke Brown mixture. And you can see this foot here. However this project turns out, it's this was going to be a loss because I broke the foot while drilling it out to mount it on the base. But I sculpted a new foot from milliput, and that turned out pretty good. So I feel like I saved a otherwise figure that was destined for the garbage. So anyway, just the first round of paints on here. We'll be back soon. Hey everybody, Corey with Skill Model Inc. here. Hey, thanks for joining me today. As you can see, I have the latest project finished. The Printing Goes Ever On Rohan Royal Guard. Just finished it up yesterday, and it's pretty much dry. So really happy with the way this one turned out, especially considering that kind of resurrected this one from the garbage. I don't know if I told this previously, but I was drilling the foot out to pin it for the base, and I cracked the whole foot off. And basically threw it in the garbage, and then a couple days later I thought, I can try sculpting up another foot, and that's what I did with some sculpting putty, and pretty happy with the way it turned out. First time using the gold true metallic, or the true metallics period. There are also some steel colors and stuff on here, but pretty happy with the way that turned out. They didn't have those years ago when I was using the oils, and really liked the green stuff. I don't remember if I told that's what I did with that's what the gold is the green stuff, metal powder, and then You mix it with linseed oil, and you basically make your own gold paint. Works just slick, and it's beautiful stuff. And then you can use it with the, like, you use the Williamsburg iridescent line, and mix your highlights and everything with that. So yeah, just really pleased with the way this one turned out all the way around. There are some still photos at the end of the video here, so don't take off quite yet. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.